So we go here, same thing. The guy goes to the block. Here, push your hand away. Step over. Okay. Now I'm going to make the triangle here, and now this time I'm going to concentrate on the elbow across this side. Okay. So I go to this point, and I put my head down onto the floor so he can't lift. I come across, make a gable grip underneath his elbow. I need to make sure his elbow is pointing downwards, and I've got the bone of my forearm into the elbow here. Okay. From this point, I just start squeeze to make the submission. Other side. So from here, you're going to snap, the guy's going to defend, hit, step over. Close the triangle here just to secure the guy, but sometimes the submission's not there. So that my head goes to the floor, make a gable grip, make sure his elbow's pointing down, and I've got the bone of my forearm against his elbow. Yeah. From here, I'm just going to squeeze to make the submission.